With the Lenovo tablet completely powered off here on the right hand side, you will find the power button, the volume down button, and then the up button here. And then all we have to do is just go ahead and press and hold all three at the exact same time. Keep holding. Take your finger off the power button, but leave the volume up and down button still pressed when you see the Lenovo logo there. And now we are in the Android recovery screen. Now all you have to do is just go ahead and use the volume up or down button to go to the correct option. So we want to wipe data factory reset. Remember, this will completely erase everything on your Lenovo tablet, so be 100% sure that you don't need anything from it. With the option selected, go ahead and press the power button here. Again, it gives you the warning, it will get rid of all your data. So once you're 100% sure, use the volume down button to come down to factory data reset and hit the power button here. And then you can see right here, it's wiping the data. Looks like that was pretty quick. Let's go ahead and select this option here, reboot system now. Press the power button. And then in a few seconds here, we should just boot back into a factory reset Lenovo tablet. After a few minutes here, we now see that the Lenovo tablet has been factory reset.